Hello, good morning mga ka-cheers! Yan, ang lamig po dito sa Hong Kong. Ingat po tayong lahat at kukunin ko na po ang pagkakataon to greet my brother, Kuya Ruben Mutya. Happy birthday. Although, yesterday pa yon. Busy kasi tayo yesterday. Kaya ngayon kita i-greet ng happy birthday. Your 70th birthday. Big 7-0 ka na. Yan. Ingat palagi dyan sa Compostela, Davao de Oro. And good health. Good wisdom. And syempre, always be there to our brethren. To help them and to guide them. Yan. Happy birthday, Kuya Ruben. God bless you always and to all my kachurific. Good morning and happy Cold Friday. Bye po. Naglalakad kami ni Chok Chok. Bye-bye for now.